Turning off location on your Android phone in 2026 is quick and helps you improve privacy, save battery, and reduce background tracking. You can do it in two simple ways depending on what is easier for you. First method is through the settings menu. Start by opening the settings app on your Android device. You can find it in your app drawer or by tapping the gear icon in the notification panel. Once inside settings, scroll down carefully until you see the option labeled location. Tap on it to open location settings. At the top of the screen, you will see a main toggle switch. Simply tap this switch to turn location off. When it is disabled, apps will no longer access your GPS or precise location unless you turn it back on again. Some devices may also show a confirmation message, just confirm to proceed. The second method is faster and very convenient. Swipe down from the top of your screen using two fingers to fully open the quick settings panel. Here you will see several shortcut icons like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile data. Look for the location icon, which usually looks like a small map pin or target symbol. Tap once on it to disable location services immediately. When the icon becomes gray or loses its highlighted color, it means location is successfully turned off. Remember, turning off location can affect apps like Google Maps, ride-sharing services, or weather apps that rely on GPS. You can always turn it back on anytime using the same steps. This is a simple but powerful way to take control of your privacy and device performance in 2026.